I'm currently in Thailand, but I wanted to still experience Korean summer. In Siam Discovery, they set up a Korean pop-up shop just on time for the summer. Let's go! You can choose the daily special or DIY ramyeon. I chose one special and one DIY. So now it's time to choose which ramyeon I want for the DIY dish. After I need to choose the toppings, 3 toppings for the DIY and 2 toppings for the special. It's time to pay. The total is 365 baht, 9.5 euro.
I got my food, at least the first bowl. Now we go here and we prepare it.
Okay, start.
Okay. So this will keep the water.
In the pop-up store, you can also buy other Korean products. There is also an activity. If you dance in front of the camera and post a video on social media, you can receive a gift.
My favorite one. It's fried and it has cheese and kimchi and bacon and tteokbokki. Definitely very spicy, so if you don't eat spicy, this is not for you. You should eat this when it's still hot, because otherwise, as you can see, the cheese is all stuck together. They give us this card with a webtoon draw, and in the back there is the recipe for Boggle Boggle cheese ramen. The fried one with cheese were my favorite one, and well, you know already because you've seen before in a video, I love cheese. Let me know which one you would like to try.
Yesterday night I also had Korean food, barbecue. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the video.